Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My All News. Today is day 23 of my 30-day news speaking channel, and today I am going to talk about my family. So my family is very important for me. In my family there are 10 members in my family, and the head of my family is my father, and my father is a very hardworking person, and he is a farmer. And talking about my mother is the heart of our family, and she take care of everything. She is a housewife, and she cooks healthy foods for us, and we enjoy that food also. And there are four brothers and two sisters. Uh, and if I talk about my siblings, um, some of the time we can stay with calm, some of the time we can fight with them. Like our whole family is enjoying every time when we get a moment for family together. We love each other, and everyone take care of each other, and everyone is kind. And like my younger sister is very naughty with me. Sometimes I play with her, and she used to hitting me, and I also used to hitting him. Sometimes we got we have fighting and all that, but our relation is like a friend. So we do everything, fighting, talking, loving, caring, everything. So whole thing is my family is very important for me, and they they always support me to grow in my career or any field. So that's it for today. See you guys in next day.